Want faster muscle recovery and better performance at the gym? The secret might just be in a green leaf. Discover how Moringa can supercharge your workouts and recovery time. Stick around. And don't forget, the Moringa Magic Supplement link is in the description below. If you're hitting the gym regularly, you already know how important nutrition is for performance, recovery, and gains. But here's what most lifters miss. Moringa oleifera, also known as the miracle tree. Moringa is packed with plant-based protein, essential amino acids, iron, calcium, and anti-inflammatory compounds, all of which are crucial for muscle repair and growth. After intense workouts, your body enters a recovery phase. This is when Moringa shines. It helps reduce inflammation, supports faster tissue repair, and boosts immune function, so you bounce back stronger every time. Instead of relying solely on synthetic recovery drinks, gym lovers are now adding Moringa to their routine. The best part? It's all natural. And if you're looking for a powerful and convenient option, check out Moringa Magic Supplement. It's packed with high-quality, bioavailable nutrients your body craves after training. If you're serious about maximizing your gains and speeding up your recovery, give Moringa a try. And remember, consistency is key. Grab your bottle of Moringa Magic Supplement now. Link is in the description below. Your muscles will thank you. Fuel your workouts, speed up your recovery. Go green with Moringa Magic.